Hi everyone. Today I am going to show you how to split text to columns in Microsoft Excel. Sometimes we need to split text into various cells to organize data correctly. If your data contains delimiters, you can shift data to separate cells by using text to columns wizard. Let's see example. You want to split column B, which is full address. You want to split it into street address, city, state, zip code, and country columns respectively. In this example, comma delimiter can be used to separate data. Select desired column. Go to Data tab. Select text to column icon. Make sure delimiter option is selected. Press Next button. Select desired delimiter. In this example, it's comma. Notice Data Preview section. If you are satisfied with the preview, press Next button. Select the desired column data format. In this example, leave it as general. Put cursor on destination, select Z1 column. Notice Data Preview section. Press Finish button. Congratulations, you successfully separated data fields. Here is the screenshot of comma delimiter example. Here is another example. You want to split column A, which is state zip code. You want to split it into state and zip code columns respectively. In this example, pipeline can be used to separate data. Select desired column. Make sure Data tab is selected. Select text to column icon. Make sure delimiter option is selected. Press Next button. In this example, you have pipeline which is not available in this list. You need to select other and enter pipeline. Notice Data Preview section. If you are satisfied with the preview, press Next button. Select the desired column data format. In this example, leave it as general. Put cursor on destination, select B1 column. Notice Data Preview section. Press Finish button. Similarly, you can practice with different scenarios and delimiters. Here is the screenshot of pipeline separator example. Thanks for watching. If you like my tutorial, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for amazing tutorials.